Hello my brothers and sisters, welcome to CSS tutorial. In this video we are going to introduce the CSS, right? This is the introduction of CSS. Now first of all, there are the main 4 points you have to know about the CSS. First one is this one. You have to know that the CSS stands for cascading style sheet, right? When we say the CSS, it means cascading style sheet. So the second point you have to know is this one. You have to know that the CSS is a style sheet language used to describe the presentation of document written in HTML. The CSS is like the design of HTML. Remember, the HTML is focused on the creating and structuring the website or web page. So the CSS is like the designer, right? It's used to create the layout or designing the HTML document, right? So another point here you have to know is this one. The CSS, it controls the layout, design, color, font, and overall appearance of web page. As I already said, the CSS is used to control the layout, colors, fonts, and overall the appearance of the web page, because it's like the designer of HTML page. So the last point here you have to know is this one. The CSS is allow developers to separate the structure from design, making web page more accessible and easier to maintain, right? So simply this is like the main important of CSS. It allows developers to separate the structure or HTML content from the design, making web access more accessible and easy to maintain. So these are the main points you have to know about CSS as an introduction before starting CSS with the HTML, right? So thank you for watching this video. Let me see you in the next video where we start with the syntax of CSS. Please, if you are new here, don't miss subscribe, like this video and share it to your colleagues so that they can get full access to our lessons. Thank you. See you in the next one.